Ghosts of our land. Ghosts of our land. It's me, Ozioma. Chief Obonna promised me love. He impregnated me, and today he has denied my pregnancy. The gods of our land, please fight my battle, as I'm going now to kill myself.
His mother. I think we should go and come back another time.
Go and come back? No way! We came here for something special, so we must get the result. That is it.
You're right, though. Let us wait for him.
Yes.
Let us sit down here.
Chief is her husband, oh Bona. Chief is her husband, oh Bona.
Hey. And what gives you the impression that you can come into my compound and perform your madness in front of my house?
Chief, so it is you. We thought you were not around.
Chief, I hope you enjoyed our small singing and dancing performance, But if you did not enjoy it, just relax so that we can show you our talents again. Oh yeah, for my Chief is her husband, oh Bona. Chief is her husband.
No, stop it. Stop it! Look at you. Me, your husband. If you don't get out of my compound at this point, I will do something to erase the two of you.
Chief is planning to do something great to us.
Yes.
We are glad that you love our singing and dancing performance. We just came to tell you that we have decided, the both of us, that we will marry you the same day.
Excuse me.
He's so happy. I'm speechless. Anyway, Chief, since you'll not be able to get someone to marry you, I and my sister here have decided to come and marry you.
Yes, that's true, Chief. That's true. Chief, just watch us. Don't go anywhere. Chief is her husband. Oh, Bona. Chief is her husband. Chief is her husband. Chief is her husband.
What did you just do to my woman?
Chibo, what was that for? Why did you do that?
My love, look.
If you ever touch me again, I will lay a curse on you that will render you useless in this life and in that to come.
You are my own. I am going to marry you, and I cannot watch while another man touches you while I'm alive?
I'm struggling so hard to respect you as one of the chiefs in this village.
Look, I know you're angry. I am sorry. But you know I am a wealthy man. I am the wealthiest man in this village. I will give you just anything you want. Anything.
I belong to another man. And there is nothing you have that I want. Give it to another woman. And leave me alone to be in peace.
I will not leave you alone. Because you are the one I want. And I am Ogbonna. Whatever Ogbonna wants, he gets. And I will get you.
Then prepare to get me over my dead body. Because you're never going to have me as a wife, you old fool.
Where is my food? I'm asking you, where is my food? I'm hungry.
Shameless man.
Come and eat. Where is my food now? I said, where is my food?
Why are you doing this to me? Kelechi, why are you treating me like I was a mere boy? Why?
Chief, please, I did not leave my father's compound with the hope of meeting you here. I am very busy right now and I have to.
How can you tell me about being busy when I have been out here waiting all along for you to come?
But I did not ask you to come here and wait for me. Besides, I have asked you severally not to look out for me again.
How can you say I should stop looking out for you when I am going to be your husband? If I stop looking out for you, I mean, what kind of prospective husband does that mean?
Chief, just stop it. Stop it! I have a man I am in love with and will marry soon. Go elsewhere, find a woman who's willing to marry you and get married to and leave me alone. Please! Chief, you're hurting me. Chief, you're hurting me, Chief!
Kelechi,
Chief,
why
please.
don't you want to marry me? Because I love you and I want you and I am not going to let you go. There's nothing you can do about it.
Chief, leave me alone.
Take that anywhere you go.
Leave me alone, Chief. Leave me alone.
You have to advise me. I'm here talking and you're not even saying anything. I want Kelechi. Give me the solution to get this girl. I want Kelechi. And I will do anything to capture that girl.
Ogbonna, why are you acting like a child in this matter that concerns Kelechi? I mean, I'm really confused here.
Like a child? Okonkwo says I'm acting like a child. Huh?
There is nothing wrong about that. But must it be Kelechi? That girl is young enough to be your granddaughter, if not great-granddaughter. Why don't you look elsewhere, Ogbonna?
So it is age, ordinary age, that made you say I am acting like a child.
Yes! It is becoming embarrassing to say the least. Okay. When you start this your love talk about this girl, I thought it was a joke. But now you are taking it to the height I don't like. Ogbonna, why can't you change for once?
Thank you for your advice.
Thank you.
Won't you wait so that I can bring in the wine?
Why?
bones of my body.
Daughter of our land, I am sorry. I am very, very sorry. You see, my heart is heavy. And when the heart is heavy, it affects every part of me. I'm sorry.
Chief, what is responsible for such heaviness of the heart? Eh? I've never seen you like this before.
Noya, please tell me, what will a man do to capture the heart of a woman he wants to marry? What can a man do to make a woman his wife?
Chief, I don't understand your questions.
Okay. I have found myself a wife I want to marry. But she keeps rebuffing me. I have offered her myself, but she keeps pushing me away.
Chief, you mean you have chosen a woman to marry and she pushes you away? Eh? Is that woman insane? Or doesn't she know how rich you are?
No, that is where the problem is. My wealth and everything I own mean nothing to her. And you know what? She's even prepared to marry a poor man.
Girls of our land, this is totally shocking. Chief, who is this girl, if I may ask?
Never mind. What is important now is that she has rejected me.
Then you leave her. Chief, I know many young girls in this village, even beyond, who would gladly give their right arms to be your wife.
No, Naya, I don't want another. It is this one I want.
Chief, stop letting one woman. Don't letting one woman to play with your mind. Chief, you can have me if you want. Yes, I am here and willing.
I should have you, Naya.
See you. Who even wants you? Hey,
Mama.
I told him he could take me as his wife, but he refused and walked away.
How could you think he would want to marry an old man like you?
I am not old though, especially when a man as rich as Shifuna is concerned.
Mama, how do you mean?
My daughter, any woman married to a man as rich as that will remain young forever. That man is rich enough to make life easy. Not like the useless fool I married, who does nothing but to make life difficult for us.
Oh, Mama, you married Papa because you loved him.
Yes, and look where that has brought me, pain and misery.
Mama, as for me, I will marry for love because I can't imagine myself getting married all because of money.
Then you will live the life of misery till you die. Ojugo, don't marry for love. Love and money never go together. So you must choose one and follow it. Ojugo, marry for money and live happily. Don't say I did not tell you. I have spoken. If you like, you follow my advice. If you don't like, you leave. That is all.
What happened, young woman? What can I do for you?
Chief, we have come to meet you today with a very big hunger. Hunger is so big that can compete very well with the hunger of the gods.
Oh, don't say that again. Please don't let your anger surpass that of the gods. But what could have made both of you angry? My daughters.
Huh? Ifoma, Did he just call us his daughters?
Yes, he did. Maybe he is the father we are looking for.
Leave me in peace.
There is no need to shout. We just came to tell you that we decided to help your friend to remove shame from his life.
What are you talking about?
Which friend?
We are talking about your friend, Chief Ogbonna.
Yes, what happened to him?
We went to his house and offered ourselves to him as his wives, and he chased us away.
Whoever struck both of you with madness did not do well at all. In fact, both of you are very funny. Very funny indeed. You want to marry Ogbonna? Look at them.
Chief, what are you doing sleeping in front of my house?
What am I doing sleeping in front of your house? There's nothing wrong with that. I just wanted to be the first man you will see when you wake up.
This is getting out of hand. What if I decide to cry out loud now and bring people here to see you?
Listen, look at me. Take a good look at me. Do I look like the kind of man who cares what anyone thinks about him?
Chief Ogbonna, are you seriously telling me I am the only woman in this village you've seen to marry, even though I am young enough to...
There you go again with your young enough to be your daughter, old enough to be your father. We're not even related. I am here to say I love you. All I need you to say is you love me in return. That's all.
But I don't love you. I cannot love you even in a million years to come. Leave me alone and let me be in peace.
You know what? You know, I love you more even when you say no. But you see, no woman in this world ever says no to me and gets away with it. So I am going to get you. I will get you.
Over my dead body, will you come anywhere near me? I have a man I am in love with, and when it's time, we will get...
Stop it. Or I will be forced to. That's that man.
Try it and see what I will do to you in this village. Useless fool. You have never gotten married before. Now you want to force your ugly eyes on a small girl like me. I will pluck these evil eyes of yours before you even know what hits you, you useless man. Now get out of my father's compound before I raise an alarm and bring the entire village here.
Okay. Thank you, I'll go. But you see, you are certainly going to regret the way you talked to me this morning.
You're still talking. Chief, get out. Chief, get out of my father's compound.
Especially when you become my wife. You'll regret it, I promise.
Chief, I will scream. I will scream. Get out. Useless fool. Idiots.
Ogbonna. For how long will you continue to bring shame and disgrace upon yourself and the family? All in the name of pursuing one small girl.
Mama, I don't have anything to talk with you right now, please. I don't have anything to talk with you.
You never have anything to say. You'll never have anything. You've started your stupid quest. Going after things you should not go after.
Why can't you just do something different with your life and leave me alone? Huh? Let me.
A full-grown man. A full-grown man. I wonder if your mates are married. That's your friend's daughter you're pursuing, you know.
Nkozi, why are you lying down here?
Can't you see that water is pouring on me? I'm washing my body now.
Hey, Ewo. I know we are both mad, but your own madness is worse than mine.
Won't you come and join me?
Mukunku, your
has been behaving very strangely lately.
Strangely?
Yes.
I don't understand, Mama.
You don't understand. Are you trying to tell me that you're not aware of the fact that he's nursing the idea of marrying that small girl called Kelechi?
Oh, that? There's nothing I have not done or said to make him change his mind on that girl. But he refused.
Refused? Do you know the thing is that I don't understand my son. He acts very funny. Once he sets his mind on doing something, he does not give up until that thing is accomplished. I don't even know what to do. Do you know that sometimes I think there's something wrong with him mentally?
Mama, don't say that. I understand how you feel. But my happiness right now is that I have found a way to cure him for whatever he says he has for that girl, Kelechi.
You found a way to cure him?
Yes, Mama. Trust me on that.
I find that very hard to believe. But I am not going to stop you. If you think there's anything you can do, that will be good. But just know that it will not be easy.
Okay, I shall try my best.
I'm really sorry the way I keep calling you once in a while. It's because you're the only one I can rely on.
Don't worry yourself anymore. I'm going to handle this issue once and for all. Okay. Believe me when I say that, Mama.
Thank you, my son.
Ogu. Ogu. Ogu, I greet you. These are for you. Oh. Ogu, help me get Kelechi. I want to marry her. Help me get Kelechi as a wife. If you have that power as a claim, get Kelechi for me.
The gods are not ready to help you in any way, unless you are prepared to tell the world the real reason why you are still on the
wife.
Why are you laughing? Stop.
Wait, are you serious? A man as big as Chief Obonna came to sleep outside your house because he wanted you to be the first person to see him when you wake up.
My dear, it is more than serious. The man has been stalking the living daylight out of my life.
Are you sure you did not give this man love potion? To eat or drink unknowingly? You never can tell.
What kind of stupid talk is that? So if I want to give anybody love potion, it would be that old fool that used to be my late father's friend.
What else do you want me to say? When an old and wealthy man like Chief Obonna will leave women of his age bracket to pursue a young girl like you?
I don't blame him. It's all because I live in my father's compound alone. Since my parents both died. You know, Amadi should just hurry up and come and marry me so that all this nonsense would just stop.
So you're still waiting for your Amadi? Now, let me ask you, when was the last time you heard from him?
I don't understand your question. Have I ever complained anything to you about my Amadi?
Not really. You're my best friend. And it's important I discuss my fears about anything that concerns you with you.
Okay, fine. I'm listening.
Thank you. Amadi has been away from this village for more than 6 months now. Do you know what he's doing in that village where he said he's learning a trade?
Ojugo, you should consider yourself fortunate you're my best friend. Or today would have been the last time I would have spoken to you again.
Why?
Because I am angry at your words. You of all people, Ojugo, should know the depth of love I share with Amadi. Since my parent died, he's been my only source of strength and succor. And you know it.
Kelechi, I know. But I'm not happy the way he's keeping away from you for so long and allowing a man like Chief Ogbonna disturbing you.
But he's learning a trade. So they can come back and take care of me. He's actually sacrificing for me and our unborn children.
Okay, but just let him know there are hawks like Chief Ogbonna roaming around you to take you away from him if he continues to waste time.
The gods of our land forbid to fear quiet. It's not going to happen. It will not happen.
Okay, my friend, I've said my own.
Somto, like I said before, my wife is not at home at the moment. She went to visit her mother's people in her village and she will later be back next week. That is why I don't have anything to offer you as a caller.
Chief, I've told you not to bother yourself about that. I should be the one cooking for you now that she's not around.
That is okay. I'm fine as it is. You will take this money and go back to your village to return tomorrow. I'm sure before you come back, I shall have seen my friend and get everything sorted out.
Thank you very much, Chief. But please, don't disappoint me. You know, I've told you the problems of my family. I really need to marry your friend so that I can have money to sort out some issues. Please.
Like I said before, the bulk of the work there is actually yours to do. I've told you that he has not been with a woman in a long time now. So go and work on your power of seduction and get him seduced with feminine powers.
Chief, you don't need to worry yourself about that. With what I know at my age, no man can resist me. No man.
That is good to hear. I am going to get the two of you introduced and you are going to do the rest and get him to fall under your charms. That is all.
May the gods of our land bless you and your family.
And may the gods bless you too.
Thank you. Take care.
I know my friend is going to love this. All these maidens in this village always wear a long wrapper. Look at this one. It's very short.
Will you shut up and listen to me?
What is it, Mama? Why are you talking to me as if we are quarreling?
Oh, you don't realize we would quarrel when you sat down with your friend and spoke like a fool. Ojugo?
Kelechi and I. Mama, you gotten me confused here. What are you talking about?
Hey, Ojugo, I thought I gave back to a smart girl in you. But today, I've just realized that you are nothing but a fool.
Mama, do you have something to tell me? Other than the insult you're honing my way for nothing.
For nothing, Ojugo. How could you be so stupid as to play and laugh with Kelechi when you should be taking action to take what should be yours in the first place?
Mama, I'm tired of all the round the table talk you're pouring down at me. It is clear that you have nothing to say to me. Please, Mama, excuse me.
So you are stupid. You are so stupid that you are yet to understand that I am talking about you and Chief Ogbonna.
I and Chief Ogbonna? Mama, what are you talking about?
Hey, Ojugo, just look at us and our condition. Your father is a drunk and still sleeping, while his mates are outside there, making something good for themselves and their entire family. Hey, Ojugo, I thought you should be rushing to marry Chief Ogbonna so we can tap into his wealth and enjoy a better life.
That's a joke, right?
Ojugo, just take a look at my face. Do I look like I am in the mood for joke? Ojugo, Chief Ogbonna has never gotten married. So, if Chief Ogbonna finally decides to marry, don't you know that you should be the first running to him for marriage?
Mama, stop. Stop saying those words again. God forbid for me to get married to that old man called Chief Obonna. Never. God forbid.
Hey. Ojugo, it's a pity you don't see what I am trying to show you. But for your information, if you allow another girl to marry a man as wealthy as Chief Obonna, Ojugo, prepare for a life of shame and poverty. Your father is an example of what it is to marry poor. Excuse me.
Mama, I will do what you've asked of me.
What? You are going to do what?
Mama, I've given a serious thought to what you discussed with me earlier. And I've seen a lot of sense in everything you said. I'm ready to march you for you.
Thanks to the gods. I am grateful to you for opening the heart of my daughter to see the light I've just opened up to her.
Mama, do you know that you're very smart? And do you know that I can marry Chief Obonna today and he dies tomorrow? Everything he owns becomes mine. And then I can remarry and be happy with whom I choose.
That is it, my daughter. And there is no way you can ever lose in such an arrangement. Never.
I hope so, Mama, but I'm a little worried.
Worried about what? Okay. Tell me those your worries, and I assure you I am going to take care of them.
Mama, I'm worried about Kelechi and our friendship. Won't she feel betrayed if I end up marrying Chief Obonna?
Betrayed? What are you talking about? Or are we not talking about the same Kelechi? Who has staunchly refused to accept the man's proposal?
Yes, Mama,
But what? There is no but in this matter. This world is a brutal place. And it's only the brutal-minded people who get what is the best. And the rest get the crumbs.
Yes, Mama. We have been friends since we were little girls. I just don't feel good about betraying her.
Then you will stay poor and useless if you continue to think like this. Ojugo, I don't want you to make the same mistake I made while a young girl.
Okay, Mama. I've heard all you said. And I know that you're saying all this for my own good. Thank you, Mama.
Don't thank me yet. Let us thank ourselves after you might have gotten Obonna licking from the palms of your hands as your husband.
Yes, Mama. And that is where I'm going to need your help, so to actualize our goals. You have to teach me how to get Chief Obonna.
No problem, my daughter. So let's watch
Mama, you're too much. I trust you.
Chief Obonna. Hey, why are you here? What are you doing in my house?
See how beautiful you are. Even in mourning. Look at you, you're just too beautiful.
Please, please, you have to leave. Before people will see you here, please. You know I'm still in mourning. I don't have to be in the company of men for now, please.
Man, I am not man. I am not an ordinary man. I am a man who loves you and wants to make you happy.
Love? You know I'm a widow. My husband just died and I'm still mourning.
Does it matter? It doesn't matter. What should be uppermost in your mind is that I am capable of taking care of you. Plain and simple.
Chief, please, please go. Leave me alone. Ever since my husband died, every man wants to get in between my legs. Please, go. Go.
I am not like those men. I am the great Ogbonna. I am, in fact, wealthier than all the men in your kingdom put together. So I am capable of loving you and taking care of you.
Chief, I am not interested. Please leave me alone. I am not interested. I thought I've warned you not to enter this compound anymore. People have started talking and it's not good for me.
People have started talking. They will talk. They surely will talk because half of the women in this kingdom of yours want Chief Ogbonna, but they cannot have me. And so they will be jealous.
No. I'm the one going to suffer it. If people come to know that I've been involved with you since my husband died, please, Chief, you have to go. Leave now. I don't want to continue with the relationship again. Please, go.
Ozioma, are you pushing me away?
Yes.
I should go.
Please, Chief, leave me alone. And don't in any way come near me again. People are suspicious. And I don't want to be shamed. Please. Please.
Now, let me tell you something. Do you know that I am friends with your king? Do you think I would sit by and watch anyone harm you?
Chief, our people have set values on things like this. You can't stop them from punishing me if we are caught. Please, leave.
You don't understand that I, the great Chief Ogbonna, put your king on that throne, including the chiefs. You don't know. You see, they cannot do you anything because they know you have something to do with me and you are special. Now you are smiling. Come and give me that special hug before I get angry. Come on. What
Promise me, love.
If I see you here again to come and talk to me about any stupid pregnancy, what kind of pregnancy are you talking about? Do I know you?
You know, see morning, please.
Morning? Is it my business? As I get out of my compound, are you deaf?
Umuna, please now. Ghost of our land. Ghost of our land. It's me, Ozioma. Chief Umuna promised me love. He impregnated me, and today he has denied my pregnancy. The gods of our land, please fight my battle as I'm going now to kill myself.
You want the power that no one has. You want to be
Ogbonna. Ogbonna. Ogbonna, why are you looking so glum? What is the matter again?
I am not in a good mood, so go straight to the point and leave me alone.
Where did you go so early in the morning?
Or you came to my house now to monitor my movements? Is that why you're here?
Ogbonna, you have become so uptight these days. Sometimes you make me feel like I'm talking to a total stranger and not a long-time friend of mine.
Okonkwo, I am not in a good mood. And I am an adult. I'm old enough to choose my mood. I am not in a good mood. Leave me alone.
I have not come here to fight with you. I brought you a gift.
A gift?
You will understand soon, my friend. Excuse me. Ogbonna, meet one of the most beautiful women ever created. Her name is Somto. She is here to meet you and make you the happiest man that ever lived. What do you think?
You know what I think? Two of you should get out of my house before I do something nasty that both of you will not like.
Ogbonna, calm down. What is wrong with you? I only asked Somto to come here with me, so you will meet her. Looking at her is enough for anyone to know she's going to make you a good wife and the happiest man.
Okonkwo, if you were not my best friend, I would have been looking for my cutlass to cut off your neck and cut off her leg. So I repeat, both of you. Come back now, come and give me your stupid gift.
You want to do what? Marry Chitumbumba. Is this supposed to be a joke or what?
It's not a joke. I will do everything possible to make sure he marries me.
You know it's not possible. Because you cannot do such a thing.
Why? I thought you said you don't want to have anything to do with him.
Yes, I don't want anything to do with this man. Not today, not tomorrow, not ever.
Good. You shouldn't have any problem with me going after him then.
Eju, do you understand what you say? You want to go after a man who's old enough to be your grandfather. A man who, despite how old he is, has never been married before. A man who's even considered as being a very wicked person.
That's the man I want. As long as you don't want him.
Yes, I do.
You're sure this is what you really want?
Yes, this is what I want. And I'm very sure.
Fine. You have my support. I wish you well in all your decisions. And as a friend, I will give you full support in your quest to make you married.
Thank you very much. I'm indeed grateful. Especially because you have to introduce me to Chief Obonna tomorrow and make him like me.
Mama. Ne. Hey. Ne. Ne.
Mama.
How did it go?
Mama, trust me now. She has agreed to do it.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's great news.
Mama, yes. Because she has no choice than to introduce me to Chief Obonna. It will be her only way to prove that she's not jealous of me, trying to get him to myself.
Yes. Everything is surely going to work out for us.
Yes,
I have no doubt about that.
You want the power that no one has. You want to be the king and all. You don't care who is hurting. You don't care who is dying. You want to be the king and all. You want the power that no one has. You don't care who is hurting. You don't care who is dying. It doesn't last at all. It cannot last.
Why are you stopping? What happened?
What just happened with your friend, Chief? Did I just get walked out of his house as if I'm a slave?
I'm in a state of shock, my dear. But what I can assure you that everything is going to be fine.
Everything will be fine. With the way that man just spoke to me as if he's possessed.
He's my very good friend. I know him very well. Eh? I shall talk to him when he's much calmer.
I'll get him in this.
Eh?
I said I will get him for myself no matter what. No man has ever treated me the way you just did. For that reason, I will get him.
Take it easy. I am going to handle everything and make sure everything is okay.
While you're handling your business, Chief, I will get him for myself no matter what.
I don't like the way you sound. You are sounding like someone who is desperate, and I don't think that is right for you.
Chief, you don't need to worry about the way I sound. At least I know what I'm saying now. I know where he lives now. By the time I'm done with him, you will get the result. That is all I know.
Govi and its swarm. How are you two doing?
Who are they talking to? How can an ordinary girl be talking to princesses like us?
I wonder, my sister. Some people have lost every sense of respect for people who are better off than them.
Well, I can see you two are not in a good place to handle my greetings. But it's not a problem. Do take care of it. Come back here. Kelechi, you mean you have the guts to walk away from us? Has your madness become worse than before?
I don't blame you one bit. we should be beating you up here and right now for trying to steal Chief Ogbonna from us.
Excuse me. What nonsense are you two talking about?
We know that you have used your witchcraft to steal Chief Ogbonna away from us.
So it's true. It's true you girls eat something that makes your insanity worsen by the day. Please, please, stop whatever it is that you eat before you totally lose it.
Huh? Anyway, she can say whatever she likes. But we want to tell you that we must marry Chief Ogbonna.
Look, we have even practiced and perfected the way we use our buttocks to dance for him when next we see him.
Ojugo, you are here already. Please, 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 my friend. Don't tell me you actually spend the night out here.
How can I sleep out here when I have my own house? I only came out here very early and decided not to wake you up from sleep. I've been sitting down here for a while now.
This is serious, oh. Ajugo, this is really serious indeed, oh.
Yes, so it is serious. Very serious.
Somto, what are you doing in my compound by this time? And why are you wearing these tight clothes? Are you sure you can breathe in these clothes?
I'm very fine, Chief. And sorry, I didn't want to go to your friend's house without letting you know first.
Which friend are you talking about?
Which friend again? Aside from Chief Ogbonna.
Are you telling me you are going to see Chief Ogbonna this morning and dress like this?
Yes, Chief.
Are you sure you didn't lose your brain before you ventured on this stupid move?
Chief, I'm afraid I don't understand you again.
I don't expect you to understand. Because I'm sure your brain is missing in your skull. And how would you be thinking going to see the same man who kicked you out of his house yesterday? And this time, you dress like a harlot. He wants a wife and not a prostitute.
Chief, have you finished berating me anyhow you like?
Are you now talking to me with sarcasm? Eh?
Chief, are you done talking? I want to be on my way.
On your way? On your way to where?
To see Chief Ogbonna.
Look, young woman, don't make me angry with you. You better turn your back and go back to your village now. When I'm done talking to him, I will invite you to come and see him.
Chief, when?
Eh?
I said, when would I come back so that your friend can get married to me?
I don't know when. When I'm done talking to him and getting him in a good mood, I shall get back to you. Just go and wait for me.
Chief, by the time you're done with whatever you were doing, I would have gotten the man of my dreams to myself. Excuse me.
You want the power that no one has. You want to be the king and all. You don't care who is hurting. You don't care who is dying. You want to be the king and all. You want the power that no one has. You don't care who is hurting. You don't care who is dying. It doesn't last at all. It cannot last at all. It will not last at all. It doesn't last at all. It cannot last at all. It will not last at all. She's for one night. She's for one night. She's for one night.
What is the matter? Why did you stop?
You know what, Ojugo?
I am not going anywhere with you as far as this venture is concerned. My agreeing to go with you in the first place was a huge mistake, so I'm not going again.
What? Kelechi, what are you saying?
What I'm saying is, I am not going to see Chibubon again with you. If you really want him, then go get him yourself.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew you're secretly jealous of me wanting to go after Chief Obonna. Because you know my life will change the moment I become his wife.
I'm jealous. God forbid. You of all people know I have a man I am seriously in love with. And I'm prepared to wait for him till whenever he's ready for me.
You're waiting for a man that is out there with another woman, right? Kelechi, my dear, I'm not a child. I know when someone has jealousy controlling their emotion. But anyway, I'm in a good mood. Because very soon, I'm going to meet the man I call my husband. And he's going to make me a happy woman. Excuse me.
Who is that wants to break my eardrums with so much noise?
What is it? Mama, good day. Sorry
day.
for shouting. I came to see Chief Ogbonna.
Ogbonna, my son?
Yes, Mama.
What for, if I may ask?
Mama, I don't know if it's proper for me to tell you now like this, but I am your son's future wife.
My son's future wife?
Yes, Mama. When I say future, I don't mean something that will happen in a very long time. We are getting married as soon as possible.
Hey! Future! Hey! Please. Forgive my laughing at you. Did you say future wife? Please forgive me, because forgive me.
Mama, I don't understand. Why are you laughing at me?
If I start telling you why I'm laughing at you, you won't understand. It's a long story, and I don't think you will stay here and listen. But there's something that I'm going to tell you, and I will expect that you will listen and do what I will tell you to do.
Mama, I'm listening. What do you want me to do?
I want you to go home. Wherever you're coming from. Cook yourself a proper decent meal. Then sit down and enjoy it. After eating it, you lie down and sleep. By the time you wake up, that dream inside your head would clear.
Dream? Mama, I'm not dreaming.
I know. But still go home and do as I've asked you to do. I want to get married.
Kelechi! Kelechi! Kelechi!
I always knew you would end showing emotion. Jealousy. Jealousy of the highest order. Please, what are you talking about? Leave my compound and stop patronizing me. Who do you think does not know you have eyes on Chief Ogbonna? You are just pretending and making it look like you don't like him because you know the man loves you so much, right? Mama, are you saying you knew about Ujubu's desire to get married to Chief Ogbonna and you encouraged it? If you ask me another question, I'm going to slap you. Who is your mate that you can stand before and talk? Kelechi, I swear, if you utter one word, I'm going to place a curse on you. One that will affect you and your intelligence. Leave my compound. Leave my compound! Cursed girl. Leave my compound, please! Leave my compound! Nonsense. Useless girl.
Anybody at home? Chief Obona, are you there? Chief Obona, are you there?
I'm sure by now you should know that there is nobody at home. Except you plan to shout out the whole house. Ah!
Hey, excuse me. Do I know you?
You don't know me. But I'm here to see Chief Obona at home. And his mother said he's not at home.
Okay, but that is not enough reason for you to snap at me. As if we've known each other or had an issue.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me. It's just that I've not had a good day so far and it's getting on my nerves. My name is Somto and I'm from Akonedo village.
It's okay. My name is Ojugo. I'm from this village. Where did Chief Obona's mother say he went?
She didn't say, but she's at the back of the house. Maybe you should go and talk to her since you're from this village. She might tell you where he went to. She should know you, right?
Of course she knows me. My mother sells pap in this village, and she surprised her. She never stays a week without enjoying our pap.
Great. So you will go and talk to her about where Shibogona must have gone to.
Sure. Excuse me.
Mama. What a nice girl. I'll make someone like her my friend when I get married.
I need help, Okonkwo. I need help. Please, I need to marry Kelechi before I lose everything.
Calm down and tell me what the problem is. You know I don't like seeing you like this.
I must marry Kelechi. Please come and help me talk to her. To accept me as her husband. I will lose everything and die.
God,
please, please.
Ogbonna.
What do you want me to say again? Okonkwo, what do you want me to say again? Everybody has been complaining about how strange and evil I am. Now I have found someone who I want to marry. And nobody wants to support me. Not even you. Please come and help me beg Kelechi to accept
Ogbonna,
me.
marry someone else.
That is the point. I don't want the ones who want me. I want the ones who does not want me.
Are you making sense at all?
Okonkwo, please forget about my making sense or not. Please come and help me beg Kelechi. I know she respects you. She holds you in high regard. If you talk to her, she will listen to you.
No.
Please do the...
You had me, Ogbonna.
Oh.
What is the matter with you? You have been acting like a child for the past couple of weeks. And I'm tired of it all. Now you finally said you want to marry. But it must be to the one who rejects you. Ogbonna, please leave me to rest. I am tired. I have other things to handle.
Are you asking me to leave?
Yes, of course. Ogbonna, you walked me out of your house. Heaven didn't fall, neither the mountains move. So if I ask you to leave my house, nothing strange will happen. So leave.
took a long time with the old woman. What took you so long?
My dear, the old woman just kept me there to do some chores for her. It was as if she had already expected me coming to see her today.
Old women and their expectations. Anyways, did she tell you where her son could be? Because I really need to see him before I go back to my own village.
She doesn't know where her son has gone to. But you could drop whatever message you came with for my husband. And I will make sure he gets the message the moment he gets back.
Your husband? Who are you talking about?
I'm talking about Chief Ogbonna, of course. He's my husband. The mother just gave me herself.
The Chief Ogbonna I know is not yet married. So what are you talking about?
As a matter of fact, that is why I came to see him.
I am going to be Chief Ogbonna's wife. I have the support of his best friend.
Oh, so I've been laughing with my enemy all along. So you want to come to my village and take away the most eligible bachelor before my eyes?
Two lovely girls fighting over my stupid and useless son. Hey!
Idiot! Oh, you want to come and snatch my husband from me?
See how small you are. You came to my own village to take it. It will never happen. He's you that is very stupid. He's you that is very useless. Useless girl. Look at you. Short girl like you. Why am I even wasting my time talking to you?
Kelechi, please. My dear, please marry me. Eh? Marry me. Whatever it is you want in this world, I will do it for you.
Chief, please stop this. You don't look too well to me.
Yes, Kelechi. I'm not feeling well. You are the only one that can cure me. Marry me and make me whole as a man, please.
I don't understand what you're talking about. But I've told you severally, I am betrothed to Amadi. And he's coming back in a few days' time to make an honest woman of me. Why is it so hard for you to understand and accept?
Kelechi, no. You are the one who does not understand exactly what I'm going through. I need you to marry me so I can maintain any semblance of sanity.
Chief. This is beginning to sound like a game for children. Look, I know of a girl who's willing to marry you today and forever. She actually likes you a lot. Why not go for her instead of bothering yourself with someone who doesn't want you?
No, I don't want the one who wants me. I need to want the one who does not want me so I can convince her to want me. Kelechi, I need to change your mind to accept me as your husband, please.
You are either sick, drunk, or just plain stupid. Look, my husband-to-be is coming back in a few days' time, and we will get married then. Let me see you come close to me, and you will see what I will do to you. You useless, old, shameless fool. Chief, what is this? Why have you tied me up like this?
I am going to kill you today.
Kill me? What?
I am going to kill you and kill myself. The two of us will be visiting our ancestors today.
What is it? This one you're shouting like someone died. What is it?
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes.
Where's Ogbonna?
I've not seen him all day. He left since and I don't know where he is. Why? What is it? What happened?
Our king just died. Yes, he just died.
Hey, I've not seen Ogbonna all morning. No. When his heart is with that Kelechi girl.
Kelechi.
Ah, Chief!
Hey, come back! Come and fight! Yes, come back! Come back! Oh. Come and finish your fight! Come back!
What is it? He's carrying me. What is it?
Shut up!
And since you don't want to marry me, I will have to kill you. Maybe spilling your blood will wash away this curse that has been worrying you.
Curse? What curse?
The curse that has been placed on me by a woman who loved me. A woman I rejected and pushed out in the presence of her people. She was carrying my baby. And I heard she committed suicide with the baby and cursed me as she died. The only way I can wash this curse away is to marry a woman who rejects me. If I can make her accept me as a husband. You, Kelechi, you are the only one who has ever rejected me. The only one I can marry and wash away this curse. Since you will not marry me, I'll suggest you die.
My love, who did this to you?
Chief.
Let's sit down and wait for him.
Yes.
Eh? Let's sit down and wait for him. Let's sit down and wait for him.
Yes.
Let's sit down and wait for him. He will surely marry us.
Yes. He must surely come back and marry us.
Yes.
Let's wait here.
Where is our husband? Oh, Bona. Where is our husband? Let me be sleeping. Where is our husband?
Obonna, do you feel the world closing in on you? You broke my heart and shamed me in public. You killed love the day you dumped me like trash. You shall never find love till the day you die. Your death shall be in agony and loneliness. No matter what you do in life, you shall never be loved or loved.
Okay.
Until you die.
Okay. So why don't you just kill me and save me this torment? Please.
Killing you will be a blessing. No. You are going to be alive and feel the pain of living a loveless life.
Okay. I know I hurt you. I did everything bad to you. Oh, please. Okay, what do you want now?
Obonna, I want you to feel the same pain and misery I felt as I was being shamed by my people while you gloated after denouncing me. Obonna, your shame, pain, and loneliness shall be forever until you die.
out and